an actor.
मुझे यहाँ तुम्हारे साथ कोई देख ले। ये फोटो मत छापिएगा, नहीं तो सबको पता चल जाएगा कि इस इंस्पेक्टर ने मेरा पीछा छोड़ने के लिए मुझसे रिश्वत ली है।
ये तो फ्रंट पेज की न्यूज़ है मैडम, छपके रहेगी।
ओह गॉड, प्लीज हटिए यहाँ से, हटिए, लेट मी गो।
हम बात कर रहे थे, you just said कि acting is basically about reacting as honestly as you can to the person you, yeah. अब we all are human beings and universally we all have the same emotions और हमारे reactions भी वही होंगे और वो reactions हर कोई शायद जो भी sensitive होगा दे सकेगा शायद। एक actor और दूसरे actor में
क्या फर्क
अगर कोई pick करे तो शायद इसलिए करते हैं लोग कि ये शायद ऑन द सरफेस थोड़ा ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग है। आप अपने क्राफ्ट पे कुछ एक्सटर्नली काम करते हैं? डू यू लेट्स से रीड अ लॉट, डू यू गो थ्रू सर्टेन एक्सपीरियंसेस टू add those layers on you?
To be interesting on screen, you first of all have to lead an interesting life.
Yeah, that's what I was asking.
So one does, sometimes at the expense of one's reputation, sometimes at the expense of one's personal suffering and personal enjoyment at the same time. One does experience and experiment with it, and that is the job. But it's not just enough to experience and experiment with it. How does one actor become different from the other actor is that some actors are trying to give a generic, general response of being sad, general response of being angry or happy. What I feel about it is that there is no generic response. All human beings are different. It is to discover your own response.
Yeah. And that
will give you the individuality, A, and that will give the difference in your work from one film to the other. I mean, acting is so easy if you look at it the generic sense, that how hard is it to react emotionally to something, you know. There are stimulus that I can give myself which would then seem like that I'm really emotional about what I'm saying, which I can be, I might be, but it is coming from somewhere. So be able to tap into it, you know, that is the thing, and it's like, it's just practice.
You just said, now that's a very dangerous statement, you know. आपने कहा कि एक्टर होने, एक इंटरेस्टिंग एक्टर होने के लिए एक इंटरेस्टिंग लाइफ जीना ज़रूरी है। You don't lead an interesting life because you want to be a good actor. Of course not. I'm sure
you have to be that as a person. See, one of the biggest things that happens to all actors is that they start acting in real life.
Yes. Do you?
That is the biggest
danger.
Biggest danger. That is the difference between a personality actor and an actor. Personality actor develops this personality and he's like that in his real life or without it, camera is on or not, it becomes a calculated response. I'm still in the process of deciding whether I want to be a personality actor or an actor. Now my aim in life is to strike a balance between the two. Have a personality, but then be able to mold it to a certain degree. Just being an actor is not good for your pockets, for your family. But just being a personality actor is not good for your soul.
ये danger हमेशा lurk कर रहा होता है ना शायद कि कहाँ रणदीप हुड्डा the actor is and suddenly you're losing touch with you know what you have been.
No, what I try to do is that I try to be truthful in my response. I try and keep my conscience clear. I try not to go to places and meet people where I have to pretend to be nice or pretend to be something, or, you know, so I avoid those situations in real life so that I am living a life with true responses to myself and my environment where I am not forcibly trying to be weak. Award shows, for example, I never go there.
Why?
I would like to thank this one, that one, the camera comes to you, you all got to go. I don't go to those places. Yeah, I think they kill you as an actor. So it's about that you have to make that choice.
So are you always aware of being Randeep Huda, the actor?
No, in fact, mostly I'm not. Mostly I'm not.
Which are the moments when you're not?
Mostly I'm not, because I do not go around the world with my entourage. I do not have yes men kind of people around me.
Hanging around you.
I do not go to places where people praise you to your face and all that. I try and be with family and friends who have known for a long time and who know who I really am, and that is the where you find the core of yourself. If you become Randeep Hooda, the actor, you're screwed.
अच्छा, दो roles जो हमेशा stand out करते हैं, दाऊद इब्राहिम, apparently, I don't know if Ram Gopal Verma has accepted it, admitted it publicly.
It is based on Dawood's life.
Dawood Ibrahim, okay.
But we had the choice. I wanted to look like Dawood Ibrahim, but Ramu felt that cinematically that does not translate into a heroic look.
Yeah.
So we chose not to. We chose consciously not to grow a mustache and actually make it a real documentary style movie. We said it's entertainment, but the story was definitely his and the struggles were his. So that definitely was the case.
How did you understand Dawood Ibrahim? Especially क्योंकि वो एक underworld don है, he's behind
See, I have had the experience in school of where whatever you say is done and accepted. So you just play on that.
Okay.
And ultimately the real life of that particular character is only of consequence as to what is there in the script. You might do whole lot of research, get video documentaries, this, that, but if it's not a part of the script, then it is not required really.
But कुछ bit of conviction, कुछ bit of justification of Dawood Ibrahim and his actions दिमाग में था रहा?
No, you cannot look at anything in the script or the character which is justifying it. We in real life are not justifying it, we are just living it. So whether he was a person, he is a person who is justified or his actions are justified and accepted by people, that's not my job as an actor. My job as an actor is to be as close to that person's thinking as possible.
And Rang Rasya, Raja Ravi Verma.
Rang Rasya was a far more complex role than D. We had no audiovisual reference of his. So that gave us a bit of liberty as to how to. We have some photographs and I have kept a mustache and all in the movie, which is like that. He was a Keralite, I'm a Jat from Haryana, so we had to darken myself a little. And I used to stand like a South Indian, they stand a certain way and all that. So those are things you do, but then ultimately you have to play that part as you would respond to it, not because how Raja Ravi Verma would respond to it, because I don't know Raja Ravi Verma, how would he respond to it. So it has to come down to you as a person and finding those things within yourself which are in the script.
हिलो मत।
तुम्हारा नाम क्या है?
कामिनी।
Do you feel a sense of responsibility when you're playing real life characters?
No. The director does.
What do you think made Raja Ravi Verma such a passionate man?
His selfishness. He really wanted to get across to as many people as possible, and he was living in a country where art was just within the palaces and the courts. So he wanted to bring his art and get it to the maximum amount of people possible. To explore that, he really went beyond himself, where his contemporaries like Monet and all these great artists in Europe were changing their form and discovering new movements in art. He was busy making paintings to be printed on matchboxes, on soap dishes,
Calendars.
Calendar art.
Yeah.
He was commissioned by the King of Baroda to go to Europe and copy their art and all that, to put it in his palace, and he refused to do it. He says, we have so many Indian stories to tell, why should I go there? and that's what makes him a great guy. And also that, you know, we've been praying to his images ever since I was a child. I didn't know it. That Saraswati and Lakshmi that we put on Diwali, that is made by Raja Ravi Verma in 1896 with a Noch girl as his inspiration.
Yeah. You know, you went through lots of experiences. आपने MBA किया. एक्टिंग करने का शौक शुरू से नहीं था?
शुरू से था मेरे को एक्टिंग का शौक, मेरे को बचपन से था. मैं पिक्चरें देखता था, मोस्टली अंग्रेजी की पिक्चरें ज़्यादा देखता था और घोड़े वोड़ों की पिक्चरें ज़्यादा देखता था जिसमें घोड़े वोड़े होते थे. मैं स्कूल में काफ़ी एक्टिंग करता था, थिएटर स्टेज पे, और डायरेक्ट भी करता था स्कूल में. बट देन यू नो, कमिंग फ्रॉम अ मिडिल क्लास फैमिली, अपना फ्यूचर सिक्योर करना चाहिए बेटा, इस लाइन में कुछ नहीं है. Parents also have a valid point of view that if it doesn't work out for you, भूखा नहीं बनना चाहिए, at least get an education. I did go out and get an education in marketing and human resource management, which my bad is that I don't use it in my career as an actor, which is the most important thing.
अच्छा, उस दौरान में, you know, you worked in a restaurant, you used to probably cook, and you did all these small odd jobs in Australia.
Yeah, drove cabs and stuff.
How have they added to you as a human being?
They've added to me as a human being that I have had a varied experience of being in all those socio-economic stratas of life and understanding what a waiter might feel or a cabbie might feel or all those things one might feel. It is all culminates into your understanding as a human being and in turn as an actor.
It's quite apparent. I mean, you're known to be you love horse riding, and we can see from the way you move around in your life that you like to grab lots of experiences else than just your profession. I mean, you probably are passionate about life. So, what is it that you're finally seeking in life right now? What do you think are you here for?
I don't know. I don't know what I'm seeking in life. I think they're very short-term goals. I guess everybody's seeking a salvation, but everybody's salvation is different.
Yeah.
So, what I'm seeking right now in life is having a more settled career, some more money, so I can have my parents move in with me in Bombay. So we got adjoining flats or something, and my mother really wants me to have a family, and somewhere I also feel that, you know, I should have a family so that when I'm older, when my kids get older, I am not so old that I cannot play around with them. So these are the little things.
That's the only reason why you would probably want to get married, or not?
Yeah, I think institution of marriage is more about the family. It's not about your personal companionship, because that is there even if you're not married. But to give it an institutionalization and give it a recognition in the society and give a safe environment to procreate with love and a secure environment for your children, I think marriage is very necessary. But companionship can happen without marriage also. And a secure environment for your children, I think marriage is very necessary. But companionship can happen without marriage also.
Yeah, and you've known it with some of the most beautiful women, especially a woman like Sushmita Sen.
Well, she is definitely a beautiful woman, but you know, ultimately when you're so close to anybody, you look at them as human beings, not as beautiful women.
Yeah, of course. I meant beautiful inside, outside. Yeah. Thank you so much, Randeep. आपने हमें time दिया, और we wish you best of luck.
I wish you guys
great journey in life.
Great programs in the future, and hopefully all you guys come watch our movie. It's called Sahib Biwi or Gangster.
Thank you.
सिनेमा, जहां सपनों और सुनहरी पर्दे का सफर ऐसे पड़ावों से होकर गुजरता है जहां हर मोड़ पर एक नई खोज पड़ी मिले. जरूरत है तो सिर्फ उसे ढूंढ निकालने वाली नजर की और उम्मीद की. रणदीप हुड्डा कुछ ऐसी ही खोज में जुटे हैं. ऐसी बहुत सी उम्मीदें उन्हें मिलती रहें. बिटवीन अस.